Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to turn this little Win mini lathe into something really cool. Stay tuned. So I'm not really going to turn this into anything. I'm just going to upgrade my shop. So I bought this Win 3420 mini lathe on Amazon in May of 2019. So right now it's March 2021. So almost 2 years I've been using it. It is a great little lathe. I can't complain about it at all. The only thing, it's a little underpowered for some of the projects I do, but for turning pins or small projects, bottle stoppers, pens, it works great. So you're looking for a nice little lathe. The Win 3420, it's a great little lathe, great little beginner lathe. But I've outgrown it, and my wife is allowing me to get something better. So I went to Rockler about two and a half weeks ago now, and got something new and special. It's been killing me. It's been laying in the shop, and I just haven't had a chance to unbox it yet. So let me show you what I got. She let me get the Laguna 1216 Revo. I am super pumped to start using this to do my projects. I can't wait to get in here, see what it looks like, start turning with it. Let's get in here and see. Got to get the Ethan Carter X-Acto knife out. First thing we got is instruction manual. Looks like a punch tool, and I think this is the tool to change the belts with. Looks like some feet. Faceplate. Nice little faceplate. I'm sure all this is going to have that disgusting, smelly oil all over the whole thing. I'll have to clean it off a little bit. Spur center and the live center. Alright, I'm going to set this on the floor and then try to pick the lathe up out of here. It's a bit heavier than the old one. Also some kind of little bracket. I have to find what that's for. So other than the feet and that bracket that I don't know what it's for, looks like it's all put together. So you get this wiped off. It does have a coat of oil over the whole thing. And I'll be right back and go over some things with you. One last thing that I forgot. Everybody's favorite when they buy any new electronics or tools, the satisfying pulling off of the plastic. Who doesn't love to do that? Alright, I got it all wiped down, and Like I said, it's pretty much together right out of the box. The only thing I had to do was put, they comes with little full rubber feet. I installed those. This little bracket, I believe it says it's for the light assembly that's sold separately, so that's to mount the light on. Comes with this faceplate, the knockout punch. This was the faceplate tool. Also, it can be used to change the belts. Spur center, live center, and instruction manual. So, there's nothing left to do but turn something.